Hey, good people. Arthur Morris here. I hope all is well. In this video, we're going to look at simplifying complex fractions with GCF factoring. So I see that I can factor some in my numerator and denominator, but before I do that, I want to clear my fractions, my many fractions. So I want to find the least common multiple of my small denominators. So that would be the least common multiple of 28x to the fourth and 4x squared. All right, so the first number or the first common multiple for 28 and 4, the first number they will both go into is 28. And then x to the fourth and x squared, remember you use the highest exponent, the largest exponent, so x to the fourth. The least common multiple is 28x to the fourth. So to clear the small fractions, we'll come back over here and multiply both of these fractions by 28x to the fourth. All right, so for this first one here, the 28x to the fourth, for the top fraction, the 28x to the fourth cancels completely out, and we end up with 3x plus 21. And then for the bottom fraction, we have to simplify. They won't cancel completely out, but we can simplify. 4 will go into 28 7 times. And then x squared and x to the fourth, using your quotient rule, we'll subtract 2 from that 4. So 7x squared, and then times the 5x plus 35. Now this one is not completely simplified in this form. There's some factoring that can be done, and maybe some more simplifying, some canceling out after we factor. So in my numerator, I have a GCF of 3. So I'm going to factor out a 3, and it means I'm going to divide 3x by 3, which is x, and divide 21 by 3, which is 7. And then in my denominator, keeping that 7x squared, I'm going to factor out a 5 from the 5x plus 35. Okay, so if I divide 5x by 5, that gives me x. If I divide 35 by 5, that gives me 7. All right, so the next thing I want to do, or what I see right off, is that I have a common binomial in my numerator and my denominator that will cancel each other out. So that leaves me with 3 in my numerator, and then I can multiply the two monomials in my denominator. 7x squared times 5, 7 times 5 is 35, x squared. And that's all we can do. All right, so again, we found the least common multiple of our small fractions. We multiplied everything by that least common multiple to get rid of those small fractions so we wouldn't have a complex fraction anymore. And then we simplify it by factoring. All righty, good people. Hope you found this video to be helpful, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.